Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd make a quick video of a Golf I've been working on, and well, it's not this one, that's my Golf, it's this Mark 4. So let's take a look. If you want to see a video on my Golf, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll do one. Engine spec wise, we have a Garret GT2871 turbo, the turbo smart actuator. We've got Seimens 630 injectors. We've got Airtec intercooler. Got a receipt behind there. Engine, Prorace engineering rods, Supertech pistons, Supertech exhaust valves, and a full set of cat valve springs, standard cams, and that is about it. 3-inch downpipe into a 2.5-inch system, decat of course, catch tank over in the corner, relocated the engine control relay and secondary air relay, hidden them in the actual wiring trunk in there, so it's there out the way. Deutschwerks in-tank fuel pump. The larger MAF housing are from a 225 TT and ramair air filter. And we go stock 5-speed gearbox with a CG Motorsport uprated clutch and light and flywheel kit. Probably in the future, after driving it for a while, the customer may choose to upgrade the gearbox with a limited slip diff like a Quafe or Wave Track, etc. Because it possibly be a bit of a one-wheel peeler. Yeah, simple setup, works good. This Golf's actually in one of my previous videos that I did a while back when we were tuning it stage 1. I'll try to put a link to that video up here somewhere if I can work out how to do it. Here's a few clips from that video where we tuned the car and fixed a few things. It actually came in and it only had, I think it was 120 something horsepower because it had the usual 180 leaks. But we got that back to stock power and then tuned from there. Anyway, have a look at this. there's the results of the dyno, guys. We did 3 runs back to back, and we got 419, 423, 422, and torque 389, 392, 391. Decent. So there's no point having all that power if you can't stop. So up front we've fitted some 4-pot Brembos and big disc conversion to improve the handling, and old tired suspension on old Mark 4 Golf. Fitted some ST adjustable coilovers, and also I've fully poly bushed the car mostly. So you got your wishbone bushes front and rear, you can just see that one in there. The kit, they already had an uprated dog bone insert there, but the kit also comes with the front bush, so press that out, put that in. Also steering rack rubber, just see through the gap, replace that. It doesn't have one on this side, it's solid mounted, but it has one on this side, so got that out, replace that one. We move to the back, axle bushes. The old ones were absolutely knackered. Get the car wandering and feeling all sloppy and horrible with the old bushes. New ones, nice solid. There's the rear coilover and rear new strut. So we're just having a little bit of a road test. Driving the car, and obviously on the dyno is one thing, but how it actually drives on the road is different. Normal driving, it's quite busy down here, a bit of stop start. Drives well, I'm in 4th gear, like 1200 RPM. Putting along fine. I don't know if that camera mount's vibrating a bit, but we'll see. The roads are pretty knackered. Plus, with all the suspension mods and poly bushing we've done, it's a lot stiffer. So yeah, so far so good. Temperature holding well. Idling fine. Traction control on there. Brakes feel good. Certainly pulls well when it hooks up. It's a little bit damp today, but yeah. Hopefully the customer's impressed. It's got a bit of a vibration coming from the exhaust, and as we've spotted before on the dyno, the gearbox and engine main mounts need uprating, renewing. You could even epoxy fill them, which is always a good and cost-effective option. Yeah, so overall, feels fine. Before we did the suspension and the bushes, the car, it was like a wobbly jelly. now it just feels planted in the road. Steering feels nice, very direct, brakes feel good. Lots of people argue, why do this to an old Golf? Why not just buy a newer car? The lad said he had option of buying a new car. His mates got new cars. He just wanted to keep this one. Wanted to do something a little bit different, more power. Just not interested in the newer stuff. Fair dues, I say. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, click the bell, and all the other type of YouTube things. And I'll see you later.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.